Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Parabo Box. I am so pumped. Can I tell you something? I tried to unbox this a couple days ago and I got interrupted or something and I just didn't have a chance, and I was so excited because it's so different. They do custom photo prints and home decor items based on your IG pictures. I think I sent them my own picture because my IG is so related to boxes. You guys know that. It's $29 bi-monthly. Look at how big this box is though. And it says, today is a great day to have a great day. It's just gorgeous and I cannot wait to get in here. There's a fly in here. I don't know what's in here either. And I forget, to be honest. There's so much going on in my life. I don't even remember the picture I sent them. All right, so it says right here, hold on. Good morning. Look at that, how pretty. All right. And then, good morning, Merry Sunshine. Okay, we're not sure what time you'll be opening your Parabo Box. It's almost 4 o'clock, actually. But we do know we filled it with goodies to help you start your day in a joyful mood. We've printed your favorite photo of the month next to our very favorite light source, the golden sun. Pin it to your letterboard. Next, grab a few supplies to take part in a couple. If you're interested in all this, check out the full review. I'm going to link to that below. So, let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. So there's something here. Ooh, so it's a green mug. It matches their light color. And it has a, oh, I love this because I have these. I'm going to have to share the pictures with you. This is from Mware. I have some mugs that were my mom's, like when I lived with my mom, living at home. And I've kept them for years. And they kind of match this, so that's exciting. And it's their signature color, which is really cool. All right. So, there's more in here. Parabo Box. Oh, it's one of those things. I have been seeing these everywhere. You put the letters on it. Like people use them in their Instagram photos. How cool is that? But where, does it have the letters? Or am I not understanding it? Maybe I'm not understanding it. I hope that's not what it is. It wouldn't be at first though. Oh no, see? Maybe this is what I'm thinking. No, these are little T-pins, or not T-pins, but they look like T-pins. Little push pins is the word. Gold push pins. Those are pretty. Oh, that's what that's for. It's a little, you poke your little pictures onto it. That's cute. Oh, it's so cute. All right, so, oh my gosh, look, it's my Ollie bear. So here he is. This is Oliver in the cockpit of a plane. So if you're not, I don't share a lot of personal photos with you guys. It's just not something I make a habit of doing. I don't have any framed photos of my son though. I do have some of all my kids except for him. This was taken over Christmas. We went to El Paso, Texas to visit my in-laws, and so my husband's father is a pilot, and my husband, there is a little known secret. If you have children and you would like them to sit in the cockpit or something, it's a possibility. You have to talk to some people and you can get a photo. So there's that. But yeah, it's a thing that we've done, and he thought this was just the coolest thing ever, and I just love that. Look at that. So anyway. So this says, yay, it's today. It's a little notebook. No, I was right. See, I thought I was right. All right, so this is, it says spell it out, right? Parabo Box. And so it says, not sure what to write on your new letterboard? Try these. And it has, I am so excited, all the letters. Look. I'm so excited. How cool is this? So that is everything that I got in my Parabo Box. I love this. How cool is this? This is perfect for somebody that just wants to perk up a space, that really is focused on the aesthetics. I think the box is really aesthetically pleasing. That's what I've noticed. I love it. I think it's awesome. If you're interested in the full review, check that out below. As always, and also a link to Parabo Box. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this box down below.